Hi, I'm Chef Brian Karam with LG Electronics. Today we're going to be talking about LG's Studio Ultraheat gas cooktop with EasyClean. This gas cooktop is modern, pro-styled, and stainless steel. It will make a statement in any kitchen. This cooktop is easy to use, and it works well with all my different types of cookware. One of the things I like about this gas cooktop are these heavy cast iron grates. These are easy to clean. All three grates are removable, but they are not interchangeable. Each has its own place on the cooktop. This gas cooktop features 5 individual burners, including 2 brass burners. The middle burner is our Ultraheat dual burner, and it's rated at 24,000 BTUs. This middle burner is great for heating and boiling water quickly or searing steaks at a high level. Each burner has its own control knob and features LED lighting indicating that it's on. Using your smartphone, you can connect to the LG ThinQ app and monitor the cooktop. The cooktop also comes with this large cast iron griddle. The griddle is removable. It belongs on the left side of the cooktop. Both burners on the left side are rated at 10,000 BTUs. This helps promote even cooking when using the griddle. The large griddle's cooking surface is comparable to a 12-inch sauté pan. If you'd like to know more about this cooktop or any of the other LG appliances, please visit us at lg.com.